We are going to make a green smoothie. So in front of me, I have organic kale. I have fresh ginger root, some organic oranges, and an organic lime. We have an organic apple. This over here is some nice fresh parsley, and we have some frozen bananas. So we are going to take the kale and we're just going to hold it right on the stem and take it right off just like that. I love adding greens into smoothies. They're a great way to add some nutrients into your smoothie and some greens and vegetables that you wouldn't normally get with breakfast. Frozen works really well, so I'll have frozen kale, frozen spinach. That's really easy to throw in the mix. We're going to take the fresh ginger and grate that finely right into the smoothie. We're going to take the orange and squeeze it right into here. For liquid, there's so many different things you can do. You could add yogurt. You can add organic nut milks or regular milk. It really just depends what flavor you're going for. We're going to do half of a lime. Get an extra dose of vitamin C in our smoothie. We're going to put a half of an apple in there. Next up will be parsley. So parsley and herbs are phenomenal for you. They have a lot of anti-cancer properties, so it's great to add about a quarter cup probably into this smoothie. You can also add cilantro. It has antibacterial, antifungal, antioxidants in there, so it's great for you. And then last but not least, we're going to take about half to 3/4 of a frozen banana. Frozen fruit is great for smoothies. It's quick and easy. Frozen wild blueberries, raspberries, frozen cherries. You can get them any time of year, and they're really quick and easy to throw right in. And that's everything besides a little bit of ice. Some other things you can add would be some soaked nuts and seeds. So walnuts are great, almonds are great. I like to put them in a little bit of water for about a half an hour. You can even do it overnight so that when you throw it into your smoothie, it mixes up nice and smooth. I love to use turmeric in smoothies. As you'll see in the spice section, it's incredibly beneficial. There's also a lot of protein powders. I just really want you to look at the ingredient list and double check what's in there. There you go. Nutritious and delicious.